Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 6.1.2. That given that cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha times cos beta plus sin alpha plus sin beta, simplify completely to cos 6x cos 4x minus cos 10x plus 2 sin squared x. Remember, in question 6.1.1, we just proved that cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Right, we just proved that in question 6.1.1. So now if we check, we can break this cos 10x into 6x plus 4x. See that? Okay. Right, you have to remember the identities, and you should be able to move from left hand side to the right hand side, even from the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, so now we can break this 10x into 6x plus 4x. Okay, so it becomes 2 cos 6x cos 4x minus, then we break this into 6x plus 4x, so it becomes minus cos 6x plus 4x, then plus 2 sine squared x. Okay, right, and then using this identity here, we can see that this is 2 cos 6x cos 4x minus this part here is cos 6x cos 4x minus sine 6x sine 4x. Okay, right, and then plus 2 sine squared x. Right, let's remove the square brackets. Becomes 2 cos 6x, then cos 4x minus cos 6x cos 4x plus sine 6x sine 4x, then plus 2 sine squared x. Okay, if you check, these are like terms, so we can simplify them. This gives us 1 cos 6x cos 4x. Okay, so this is just like cos 6x cos 4x plus sine 6x sine 4x plus 2 sine squared x. Right, and then we can use this if we check this part here, moving from this to this. So we can see that this part here is just the same as cos 6x minus 4x. So this is cos 6x minus 4x, okay, plus 2 sine squared x. Right, what is 6x minus 4x is 2x, so we have cos 2x plus 2 sine squared x. Right, and then we know the identity for cos 2x. So we have cos 2x is equal to there's cos squared x minus sine squared x. There's 2 cos squared x minus 1. There is 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay, so we can use, let's use which one? Let me pick this one. Okay, so it's going to be 2 cos squared x minus 1 plus 2 sine squared x. Right, and then if you check these two, you can have 2 cos squared x plus 2 sine squared x. This is squared plus minus 1, and then factor out 2. This is cos squared x plus sine squared x, and identity is 1. So it is like 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Done. Okay. Right. We could also just pick this one, which is 2 sine squared x. We can use it here. Replace cos 2x with this one. So it was going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared x plus 2 sine squared x. Okay. Then these are like terms. Subtract them, get 0. You remain with 1. Okay. Right. And then let's say if you chose to use this one, we're going to replace this cos 2x with this. It was going to be cos squared x minus sine squared x plus 2 sine squared x. Right, and then negative sine squared x plus 2 sine squared x, you remain with sine squared x. So it's going to be cos squared x plus sine squared x, which is equal to 1. You could have used any of those three identities there. Okay.